Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about debugging. Debugging is one of the most important aspects. You have to learn it if you want to write a program. Because debugging allows you to trace your code step by step and you will see how your program runs step by step. We understand before a few seconds the application will start step by step. First thing you will run this line, then you go to this line, then this line. This is how application run. So how we could make sure the application runs step by step? By using a breakpoint for sure. So if I want my application be in this step, it will be break it and run step by step. I just double click here and I'll see, hey, this is point. So now if I want to run the app, make sure don't click this one, click this one, debugging. If you rerun it, he will say, hey, you are in debugging mode. You say he asked you to enter his age because he still did not reach this point. He's still here. So first of all, let me suppose I am entering 1990. Enter. See, when he reached this point in the code, he just stopped it. And now I could move it step by step by clicking this or this or this. This one, name it step over. That means if there is any function called inside the code, he will not go to that function. He will just bring the result for you. If you want to see the details about that function, you just click this one and you will see it later on in the code. So I want to step over, so just click it. You see, if you just look here, you will see how he defined the variable and everything works. See, you have date of birth, you have current year, 2017, date of birth. Before a few seconds, current year doesn't have anything, but now it's have year. Now they have date of birth, but if you see the age is not defined yet because this line did not execute it yet. So when the line executes, he will define your variable name at age. If you go down, here you go. See, he defined your variable name at age. Now, here you go. Did you see how the program runs step by step? This is basically how any program could run. So the program runs step by step. Make sure to do a lot of debugging that allow you to understand how a program step by step, and if there is any problem happen, you could catch it. But this is not only one type of debugging. You could debug on specific things. So I say, okay, only the people who has age 1990, I want to debug them. So just click right on here and you will see this one. You say the condition. You say, okay, I want the DOB, the date of birth, add space, equal, that means equal specific age. You say 1990. Because the data that entered in date of birth should be string, so make sure add it in single quotation for now, because until this step stay still string. We change it here to integer. So now if I just debug the code again, think about you adding 1989. Is the debugging execute? No, he just run and he give you the age. If I just rerun it again, make sure use debugging and I enter 1990. If I click here, did you see when he reached this line, he just stopped it because now, hey, this is the condition. My condition said if it is age 1990 and the age 1990, I'm just breaking. So now, hey, you execute me step by step. Make sure always you add your breakpoint on the step after. So if you want to check the data birth, don't add the breakpoint here because still here on this point, data birth is not defined. Data birth will be defined at the next point. So make sure add it after it. So that's what I want to share with you, and hopefully we will use it a lot debugging to make you understand the code in next videos. Thank you for watching and see you next.